Hello, University of Learn Business 630 students. My name is Rick Hassey. I'll be your professor this summer term of our remote learning, with our class being every Wednesday evening during the course of our 10-week term this summer. And welcome. I'm speaking live and in color from Business Finance Central in Claremont, California, where I'll be teaching the class this summer. And I wanted to introduce the course to you in this video and then look forward to seeing you Wednesday evening at 6 o'clock through our Zoom link this summer. Our course is designed to be teaching you advanced corporate finance, strategies and disciplines to make determinations of raising capital and managing your company in the marketplace of investors, the marketplace of customers, vendors, the marketplace of competition, and how to manage capital in those environments. And that's what we'll be spending our time on this summer. And so what I would like you to do is review our course syllabus, which I've already sent you, and it's located in our Blackboard. I'd like you to review the Blackboard prior to our class Wednesday evening. And every week, I will post an introduction video to our week's activities, an agenda of what we'll be studying. You have your first graded assignment this week, discussion post, which is due on next Tuesday, where you're going to write a bio about yourself to introduce yourself to our class. And then I'd like you to put together a portfolio of stocks that we'll track throughout the summer. And we'll talk more about that on Wednesday evening. Here's our course syllabus for the summer, and I hope you had a chance to look at this. This is a unique class, which a lot of you are probably already used to. We'll be online, but this will be a remote class. We're teaching a variety of different students, online students from Burbank, Irvine, and other locations throughout Southern California. So I welcome you all to this class. Our class will be designed around a lecture every Wednesday night, plus additional work outside of class to get ready to learn the material and review the material for this summer. A couple things to note in the syllabus. We have our course link for Wednesday evenings. There it is right there. We also have Thursday evening student hours, where if you have any questions or would like to review anything, you can come on Thursday evening at 6 o'clock. Another interesting highlight of this class this summer is I'm teaching two sections of Business 630. One section is your class here on Wednesday night, which is called a remote or synchronous class. I'm also teaching a Business 630 asynchronous class, which is entirely online with no class lectures. And that class is also going this summer during our regular class. And we might be seeing some of those students every now and then sitting in our Wednesday class just to review some material if they like, and they're welcome to do that. But our class is synchronous, meaning that I will be giving lectures every Wednesday. We also have a YouTube site where I will post all our class lectures that I record, all videos that might be important to your study. If you click on the link here in a syllabus, you'll go directly to the YouTube channel for Rick Hassey, and you'll look for the playlist under playlists for our class, which is Business 630, and the class will be called Business 630 Remote. You don't see it on this list, but trust me, it is there. It's there somewhere, but it's called Business 630 Corporate Finance Remote Summer 2021. This is the class for the playlist for the online class. It'll be just a little bit different because they're not sitting in on any classes. Confused yet? I am. But we'll sort this all out in our class on Wednesday night. So we have a YouTube channel, which can be very handy for us to learn. Make sure you go over the course description, our assessments. Our textbook is voluntary. It's an optional textbook, the 16th edition of Brigham and Earnhardt Financial Management Theory and Practice. You do not need the text. It will help you if you feel uncomfortable with numbers or learning the material. But I will provide all the material in our Blackboard, PowerPoints of every chapter, videos, and of course our lectures on Wednesday nights. So again, textbooks are optional. Our grading structure, we have 4 case studies, each worth 15%. We have a case paper where you'll be doing a capital budget analysis, and you'll have a discussion posts and class participation during the course of our term. And probably the most important area is naturally our course schedule and syllabus. And here it is right here where our due dates are. Our work is due every Tuesday. Every Tuesday is when our graded work, discussion posts, case studies, papers, all that is due every Tuesday. Something Something a little bit different in this course is during the second and third weeks of our course, I would invite students to meet with me individually. If they have any concerns about the material, about the way the course is set up, you can meet me individually. These meetings are voluntary. You don't have to meet with me if you don't want to, but I encourage students to set up an appointment time with me on Zoom where we can chat. And if you have any concerns about the course or the material, we can sit down and chat. But again, these are voluntary, but you're more than welcome. My online classes, this is mandatory where they meet with me the first couple weeks of class. But since I'll be seeing you every Wednesday, we can hang out after class. And if you can ask me any questions or concerns you have, or in our Thursday sessions, student hours, you can also ask me or come up with any concerns that you might have. But I encourage students to meet with me if you have any questions these first couple weeks of class. So there's our course schedule with the subsequent chapters and the graded assessments in yellow of which you have to do to get through this course this semester. Also, here's our Blackboard site. As you can see, it's been all set up week by week with all the material for the course. It has sections for our course syllabus, course calendar. You can just click on this and get a quick view of our course calendar very easily without downloading a file or going to a file. You just quickly can look at that. Again, hard copies, which you already have in a PDF or Word format of our course syllabus. Information about me, a bio, a goofy looking pandemic picture of your professor, and other additional information that might help you in our course. Whenever I send an Whenever I send an email to students, it's also automatically posted to the announcements section of our Blackboard, so you can make sure you get caught up with any information I send you. All my course Zoom links, here's our link again for our Wednesday class hours and our student hours on Thursdays, which are considered office hours. Also, I will post all the links for the class recorded session in this file folder. And then we have the class discussion forum, where you can answer every week. If you have any questions or concerns, post it there and I will answer them for you. Also, we have that discussion assignment this week, a bio, and put together a portfolio, and we'll talk about that in class on Wednesday evening. And then I have every week of the course set up. Naturally, I'll make changes to these as we move forward, but here is week 1 with our agenda, our portfolio and student bio work discussion post, introduction to the course, and PowerPoints of the chapters, and all kinds of information that we will review on Wednesday and every week. But you can get a head start and look ahead at every one of our class weeks throughout the term. I have it already all set up, ready to roll. So you can get a good idea of what we're going to be doing over the course of the summer. And if you're going to be away, if you're going to miss a class from work or whatever, if you get sick, whatever, hopefully not, you have, you know where all the information is. So get to know Blackboard, get to know the material, and it makes it a lot easier because we are going to go at a rather quick pace. This is an MBA advanced finance class, so we will move rather quickly. So again, welcome to our course. Glad you're here. Hope this creates some interest in finance and corporate finance. And for many of you, you already work in this area, and this should be very helpful. So I look forward to working with you all this summer. So we'll see you all Wednesday night at 6 o'clock. And until then, adios.